I think this is a really nice graphic here to kind of wrap up the process, and companies go through this. But again, almost all chemical companies use risk matrices, and they can run different capital plans and show the effect on that risk matrices, what is and isn't acceptable, what their target levels are, and how soon they need to get projects into that green zone. Also, elements of strategy, some sort of spider diagram that really determines how close you were getting to strategy based upon how much capital is spent. But the one that I really like on this chart that comes out of this tool is it can look at deliverability too. So in this case, this is a 4-year plan. A lot of companies have 5, 6, or more year plans, but that would also balance, in this case, capital dollars by year, but also the resources, the amount of people that it takes to actually execute the project. So again, as you're looking at balancing your plan and using a tool to do that, this is where you can really balance all three of these things. So you're balancing risk and strategy, and you're getting a plan that you can actually deliver, that you have the funds to do for a multi-year period, and you have the resources to do. And resources to me are even more important because, again, people are really passionate about their projects, and a lot of the smaller risk-based projects and profitable growth projects use the same resources to execute them. So if you get everything you ask for, you may or may not be able to actually execute the project, which then creates delays and inefficiencies in the process, and you don't really get the best value out of it. So one of the things I really like about this tool and the process, it really allows you to balance all those things and come up with a plan that you have the best chance of executing at the best value.